Welcome to the Unenglish Coffee Office. Today is Wednesday, May 7, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, coffee time?
Yes, I need it. I had 3 calls already, and you?
Emails, meetings, more emails? You know the drill.
The usual office life?
Hey, did you see the news this morning?
Not really. What happened?
Big news. Russia and China just had a big meeting. They say they want to work together more.
Oh, that can change things?
Yes. They talk about a new world order or something like that.
That sounds serious. What do they want?
They want less power for the US and Europe. More for them.
That can change the global balance.
Exactly. If they make new trade deals, prices can go up or down.
It can also affect security. Other countries may feel nervous.
Yes. And markets don't like nervous people.
It's true. Our clients in Europe may ask questions.
One client already asked me today. He said, "What happens if China stops some exports?"
That would be bad. We use many parts from China.
Right? And delays mean less sales for us?
Do you think it will get worse?
I think it depends. If they only talk, it's okay. But if they change rules, it's a problem.
Let's hope they only talk.
Yes, talking is free, changing prices is not.
You always find the funny side.
I try. If I don't laugh, I cry.
All right. What's next on the list of bad news?
Not bad, but strange. Did you hear about that new robot from Google?
No, what is it?
They can write emails, answer calls, and join meetings. It even has a face.
A robot with a face? That sounds like a movie.
Yes, but it's real. They say it can help office workers.
So, it wants my job?
Maybe just your inbox. It can write replies faster than you.
That's not difficult.
Hey,
Just kidding. But do people like this robot?
some do. They say it saves time. Others say it feels strange.
I think it depends on how we use it.
Yes, if it helps, it's good. But if it replaces people, that's not so nice.
I agree. People have emotions. Robots don't understand that.
Right. A client is angry and the robot says, "Thank you for your message, not helpful."
Exactly. In projects, we need to talk, listen, and feel the problem.
Robots can't feel yet.
Let's hope they don't start. Then they will ask for coffee breaks too,
Then they're really part of the team.
as long as they don't eat my snacks.
Never touch David's snacks. That's a rule.
Hey, did you see that new movie that won a big award?
No, what is it?
It's called Small World. It's about a boy who lives in a very small town. He wants to see the world.
Sounds nice?
It's slow but beautiful. It shows family, dreams, and social media.
Social media.
Yes. He posts photos, and people from around the world follow him.
Ah, so he travels online first.
Exactly. But then he wins a photo contest, and he travels for real.
That's a sweet story.
Yes, and the music is very good. Old songs, soft piano, very calm.
I like calm movies. After work, my brain is full.
Mine too. That's why I like this film. It shows simple life.
Sometimes I miss that. No phones, no deadlines.
Just coffee and long walks.
And time to think.
Yes, now we rush all the time. Even lunch is fast.
Fast lunch, fast emails, fast meetings.
But slow coffee with good people, that's nice.
Thanks, Alex. You make office life better.
You too, David. Your jokes help me survive my projects.
Well, I have to go. My client is waiting.
Same here. Let's survive the rest of the day.
Deal? Same time tomorrow?
Of course. Coffee is the only thing on time here.
See you then?
Bye, Alex.
Time to get to work. Practice your English every day and you'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. I hope you have a great day.